Paano sumali at magkaroon ng free dropshipping account? Step by step.
Maging affiliate at simula ng dropshipping. Ngayon,
Sundan ang mga hakbang na ito. 1. Mag-sign up gamit ang link.
magpa-order ng mga produkto natin. Kunin ang customer details. Pangalan, delivery, address, contact, number, orders.
Mag-log in sa iyong dropshipping account gamit ang iyong username at password. I-click ang Shop for Customer. I-fill up ang customer details. Hanapin ang produkto at ilagay kung ilang piraso ang order. I-scroll down at i-click ang Submit.
Kapag naisumite na ang order, ipoproseso ito ng kumpanya. Kapag natanggap na ng customer ang produkto at na-remit na ng courier o rider ang bayad, ang iyong 10% profit ay papasok na sa iyong dashboard. Madali lang, di ba? Start earning today. E-commerce. Dropshipping. Make money on your mobile 30%, 55%. Retail profit for every product. Sold. Start earning anywhere, anytime. Shop Quick Dropship. Your one-stop online shop that combines convenience, affordability, and trustworthiness. Why shop with us? Shop now, pay later. Cash on delivery, TOD. Available, wide range of products. Hassle-free shopping, fast and reliable service. Your orders delivered straight to your doorstep. Contact us 19532817207, 19614186117. Message anytime.